let me introduce to you this session's first speaker. She is a Doctor of Education degree, candidate in English language teaching at the Cebu Normal University. She completed her Master's of Arts in Education degree major in English language teaching in July 2018 at Cebu Technological University. She earned her Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English degree from Cebu Normal University in Balamban, Cebu. Since May 2015, she has held the position of permanent regular instructor at Cebu Normal University's Balamban campus, where she teaches tourism and education courses. She is also recognized She is also a recognized patent holder for her work entitled Process of Producing Purple Sticky Rice Cake, Biko, published on October 14, 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Sarah Jane C. Trazo. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. So makabusog nga kahaponon kanatong tanan. Disclaimer, no, as mentioned a while ago, kay my expertise is not really aligned with this, but this one was crafted because it's very close to my heart. Now, as mentioned, it's all about purple sticky rice cake. Wala akong baon na historical background, but I have a story. Now, I was really motivated to craft this one. Aside from I was able to publish this a patent sa process no of making this. My mother, whenever very traditional kaayo nga, whenever na occasion sa balay, Biko is always present gyud. Na mapa birthday, mapa kalag-kalag, even Pasko, we always have Biko. Kay in our place man, we have our own palayan. And we harvest pod kana ang purple nga kanang purple glutinous rice. And that is why whenever murag koan naagid per me ang Biko, it's just that one of the ingredients of Biko is coconut milk. It happened nga akong mama dili pwede og coconut milk. Pero she loves Biko pag bata pa niya. It's just that pag kagors-gors na, nanggawas na ang mga allergies, niya mo react na. And then there's one time nga, she ate Biko gabi niya, nadala siya sa emergency room because of that. Kaya wala man milaing matrace. Pero pag next time, ni try gihapon siya, still Biko, ang Biko jud ay. So what she did is, since na part naman jud ang Biko sa mga okasyon, magluto gihapon siya, luoy lang kay dili na siya makakaon. So yung gibuhat is, there's one afternoon, she tried to eliminate that ingredient, ang tuno. And she replaced it. Yes, ang pinakalami gid ta kay Biko will never be Biko if dili ngilngig. And the ngilngig kay gihatag ba na siya amurag gikan sa coconut milk. So she tried to make Biko pero wala na ang tuno. And she replaced it. First good is only cooking oil. Cooking oil ra ang iyang ang iyang gipuli. Pero very lami baya, and we discover that time nga mas dali daay madaot ang Biko kung coconut milk ang gamiton kumpara sa katong cooking oil nya. From time to time ano to iyang buhaton nya, nakauyon raman sa dang family, so we pursued na lang every time magbiko cooking oil lang gamiton ni mama para maka-enjoy sad siya apil. Till such time nga ning try nami og explore og lain, so og na mga any pwede namong i-substitute sa sa coconut milk kay mao na among gamiton. So when I attended ako ang training sa patent, it's supposed to be aligned sa akong expertise ang among gamaon. Pero it happened nga, I realized man nga, bitaw no, it's just for sure, wala lang kayo ko na-encounter pa, pero for sure, daghang cases same sa akong mama. So why not try to share this one so that others will know also nga they can still enjoy Biko without the coconut milk. And then that's why I crafted and I was able to publish the process of making a biko without the coconut milk. And then I based my module on the patent that I published. So that is why I was able to have this purple sticky rice cake, healthy sticky rice cake, purple glutinous rice, and coconut milk alternative. So the goal of this module is to allow people to know, and for those who would like to learn as well how to do biko without the coconut milk, and ang na siya alternative lang, especially sa katong na mga dietary restrictions and allergies sad sa coconut milk. So here are the benefits of using purple glutinous rice. No, I've heard, I don't know, pero sa amo aman it's in Asturias. And we're located, murag boundary ang among lugar sa Asturias ug Danao. Pero even if amo is very bukid, gyud nga bukid, like you'll have to travel from town mga almost 2 hours. Nya dili pwede sakyanan, murag motora. We managed to have our own palayan. And then adto mi kuan og amo nga pilit magtanom ra nga ang mga tawo, and then ana siya kanang we don't have to buy it, even ang amo ang supply sa bugas. So dili sad siya pang baligya ang amo ang mga makuan ngadto pang konsumo gyud mo na nga amo ra nang murag wala ra kayo na mo'y kuan nga kanang mga presyo sa bugas kay naman mi amo ang adto nga supply ra gyud nga mananom ra mi nami among tagsa-tagsa nga area. So nangad to is tapol, we call it tapol nga pilit. Oh, we call it that way. Pero I've heard that when I share that one to my friends, ingon sila nga kuan ra gyud daw na sa Leyte. Pero sa amo we managed to have ingon ana nga kuan nga tapol. So mo na nga whenever we make budbod biko, among gamiton is ang kanang tapol. Okay? So we have here it's rich in antioxidants, high in fiber, and low glycemic index. So gi-search na lang na nako. So ano sige migkaon ko kay ba ingon ano yung mga benefits niya. So, here are the ingredients. No, 1 serving rani ang akong gipakita. So, purple glutinous rice, 1 cup. And we replaced, kuan kana ang coconut milk into almond milk, 2 cups. And then coconut sugar. Sa amo, kuan siya, kanang kinugay. I don't know if you're familiar with that, pero it's kinugay. We also have vanilla extract. Gipalaysyo na lang na. When we happen to kanang nag-explore na mi maayo mar kani ang pinaka-latest na mo nga explore sa ibutang, pero ang sinugdanan gid nga mong ginagamit is limonsito. So i-appeal siya. Ang uban sakang mama sa ang uban butangan ra siya dayon dili i-appeal ang kamamo i-appeal jud niya tanan, like is slice ra niya katungaon ra niya ang limonsito i-appeal niya. So kung magkaon ka nay chances makakaon ka sa liso or sa katungkuan, pero humot sad siya. Di ko sure kay imagine ba mo sa lami, pero lami siya. Okay, and salt as well, and kaniang pistachios, paralysyo na lang po na siya. Pero we try that one, no? For garnishing, pero pwede rin good kayo magamit taog katong happy. Kay mama made that one sad, happy nga tagpiso nga man ni, dayon iyarang anaon og kanang butilya, para madugmok, and then mo to iyang ipangana-ana. Though naray murag downside niya is nay flavor daan ba. So muilog ang ang barbecue flavor nga happy. So kanang usually katong original kay salty raman siya. Pero mo na yung ginabuhat sa una. Pero puti na gyud atong pagkalamian nya magdindot na kay ang birthday kay na ato. Okay, next is we have here the tools to be used. Heavy bottom saucepan, wooden spoon, measuring cups and spoons, mixing bowls, and spatula serving dish. We also have here, next please. Okay, explanation of the ingredients. So for the purple glutinous rice, this is the main ingredient of the recipe. So purple glutinous rice is a nutrient-dense grain that is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and protein. For almond milk also, plant-based alternative to traditional dairy products. So it is low in the calories, sugar, and fat, and is rich in vitamins. For coconut sugar, this is natural sweetener that is made from the sap of coconut palm trees. And we also have vanilla extract. So it was explained nga no na siya. And for salt, I don't know if others are using this one, pero mama is always like that. Whenever na siya yung mga gamaon, butangan yun na og salt. Yung explanation kay, I was curious man, nga no, man siya mo balance daw na siya sa lami. Kay na ako na yung murag, kung tamis nga tamis ra lahi ra gyud kung naay aka ng salt nga ibutang. Sige, apil na lang pod nako ang salt. Okay, next is so for the preparation, so first is we'll have to rinse the purple glutinous rice thoroughly with water to remove excess starch. We call it kilisan, natang kilisan. Soak the rice in enough water for at least 4 hours or overnight. We don't usually do overnight, pero mas mama pwede ra pod daw. Pero basin pod niya masubraan siya kabukad. Kay pabukaron man siya kay ang tawa ang tawas nga nung tawas tapol manggod ang tapol nga kuan nga pilit mas gahi man siya sa original nga pilit, so mas kinahanglan jud siya nga ihumol. So before mag kuan sa process, ihumol sa siya daan, and then next drain the soaked rice and rinse it again with fresh water. In a heavy bottom saucepan, add the drained rice and 2 cups of almond milk. Add a pinch after katong pinahumulan na kay para kag naglungag pod og kuan bugas. No, it's just that 1 cup niya, 2 cups ang ibutang sa imuhang substitute nimo sa coconut milk. Next is itak-ang na. And then cook the rice until it's soft and has absorbed most of the almond milk. So this should take around 20 to 25 minutes. And then you add the ingredients, naman na coconut sugar, the vanilla, and then cook the rice for another 2 to 3 minutes until sugar has dissolved and the rice is well coated with the spices. Then you transfer it and then ready for serving na siya. But katong among gipulihan pa siya og coconut o katong cooking oil is habwaon jud siya inig kaluto na, then magkuha og kaha more jud si mama og nagluto kay ang cooking oil man ang iuna, and then isagol pa to niya ang kinugay and then other ingredients usa kinalasan ibutang niya ang glutinous rice nga luto na. So mo na nga sagulon siya until maoki na siya, then last part nga buhaton is kato na magbutang na dag peanuts or you can have pistachios. So next, so there are tips na according to her, ngutan ako ani niya. So you use a heavy bottom saucepan to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom, then sear the rice occasionally. Then you add a pinch of salt and use spatula to transfer the rice. Then let the rice cool down for a few minutes before transferring. Next slide. For substitution, as mentioned a while ago, from coconut milk, we can have now almond milk, no? But kato siya, pwede pod siya cooking oil. Next. So, it's mentioned na ganina in the process of pag-cook niya. Okay, next. 2 minutes na lang. For the presentation, katara siya, it depends on you kung saan siya pagkuan, but sa kang mama nara siya mga hulmahan man. So pwede ginagmay, pwede po dagko ang serving sa iyaha. Next. So nasa dira mga tips. And then after that, in my module, kato ang unang gi-present. And then after, series of activities na to be done by the students. So there are only 5 activities for healthy alternatives quiz. Murag recap lang for the students to be reminded or to know unsa to ang mga pwede ipangpuli nila sa mga dish nga ganahan nila. And for traditional dish research, they will be grouped and then they will look for researches related sa mga traditional dish. And then after that, innovation brainstorming and that's the time they will decide what are the innovations that they will make based on the researches that they've had. And then ang preparation and cooking, that's the time that they will perform and cook the dish that you would prefer to have. And then the last part of the activity, the innovative cooking, kay I provided there all the activities kay na, ang grading niya is na rubrics pod, and then ang innovative cooking kay mo ni siyang murag presentation of the final dish or kanang delicacy nga ilahang na formulate nga kana na sila gi-change baron or mga alternatives nga ilang gipuli. So I believe that is all kay time na pod. Okay? So mga example, mga directions ra. And then yes. And yes, one format and then references. Thank you so much everyone. Daghang salamat.
Thank you very much, Dr. Trazo, for that enlightening talk. I believe everyone in this room would certainly love to try making their own biko. I love the substitution as well, Doc Nolga. Instead of using coconut milk, we could use or opt for almond milk instead. Thank you very much, Doc.